Good day to you guys. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you're watching YouTube channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my valuable videos anytime I drop them like this. And in today's videos, I'll be teaching you guys how to convert text into video using a powerful AI. Yes, with this AI, you don't have to stress yourself thinking of how to make videos together, how to edit videos. No, this AI is going to do everything for you perfectly. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into actions. The name of the AI is called Augie. So from the word, if you don't know the website, although I will tag the website in the comment section, but the better still, just type Augie AI on Google browser. Once you click on it, you click on search. The first one that's going to show is called Augie. You can see it, Augie AI assisted video creation and editing beta preview. Just click on it, the first one. So it's very easy. If you haven't signed up, click on sign up. You see, you fill this information, it's free. You don't have to stress yourself. You fill everything, and once you fill it, they will send you the confirmation message. You check your mail and you confirm it. But for me, I've already created an account on Augie AI. So now I'll just have to log in. So once I log in now, you see, welcome back. So once you log in like this, on the first page on the dashboard, you will see all these videos there. All these videos, how to make videos, how to do this and that. You see all these things. This video, you can use it to create viral videos on TikTok, on YouTube, or your Facebook without stressing yourself. So these videos are there for you on the dashboard like this. You see it and you watch it. If you want to know how to make some certain area, you can see create a viral TikTok videos using AI to boost your brand. So many things, you see. So your business can unlock Facebook success with these amazing tools. So there are lots you can do here, you understand. So with this now, how do we now get started? Once we are on our login like this, once you're on our login, you are already on our dashboard. We have to click on create. So we have these three options here. Do you have a video, audio, or a video? I just needed to pair it. This is the first option. If you already have a video, you already have an audio you want to make together or something like that, or you have a script. I have a script that I want to turn into video. If you have already generated a script, probably from ChatGPT on AI generated tools like that, you understand. So if you have it, you can use it, or you want to start from scratch, which is what I'll be starting. This is what I'll be using. I am starting from scratch, you understand. So now let's click on starting from scratch. So we'll click on it. I will see let's go. So now let's go. So you can see these are the objectives we have to work with, you understand. This top, you can see them. So now what is the motive of this video? Increase brand awareness. You want to do this or that, you understand. So create an ad, drive up to video, depend on the objective of the videos you want to create. So for me, I'm just leaving it here. And the second one, who am I targeting? You understand? You can target, or it depends on what we are advertising. Is it within the age of, depend on the kind of people who are making the video for. But for me, I'm leaving it at all ages. Then locations, anywhere, you can use anywhere. You can use the United States, you can use it, you understand. So it depends. You search for whatever you want to, you're searching for. But for me, I'm leaving it at everywhere. So now the tone of the video, which one do you want it to be? Neutral, mysterious, mystical, mature, magical, light, depending on area we want. So for me, I'm leaving it as neutral. So now you see, we'll choose this thing from the kind of, we choose it that we want to start from scratch. So now I'll have to tell this box. Now I'm going to write in that, okay, this video, this is what I want to make. So I'll just write, depends on the kind of video you are making. So for me, I'm just using a random topic for you to generate video for me so that we can know how it works. So I'm just writing 5 best places to travel to during the winter period. You understand? As you can see it like that. So for me, I'll click on let's go. So if you have a video you want to create, you already have the topic of the video, you put it here, click on let's go. So I haven't done that. It's going to generate the so now if this script, if you are not okay with it, if you are not okay with this script, you can edit it. You understand? You can edit it. As you can see, you can backspace, you can put this and that. You understand? So it depends on what you see. We have 5,000 words that we can use. You understand? So now, so I haven't done that. If you are okay with it, just click on save. Then now we want to choose voice. What type of voice do we want? Now I want to choose voice, or better still, if you want to clone your video, your voice, you can clone your voice. You upload, you read according to what is being posted here, and you click on record. So once you click on record, you click on clone my voice, and your voice is going to be cloned, and you make use of this voice yourself. So but I'm not using the clone voice, so I'm just selecting a particular voice. All this thing, okay, we can play it and preview it.
Hi, I'm Adam, and I'll be the voice of your Augie today. Hi, I'm Adam, and I'll be the voice of your Augie today.
Hi, I'm Andre, and I'll be the voice of your Augie today.
So let's say I choose this. So I can just preview my script and preview my script. So I haven't done that. We'll go on the orientation. You understand? So you see it. If you want to preview, you can just play it.
Winter, a time of chilly breezes and cozy night.
So if you are okay with the sound, you click on sounds good. Then the orientation means the size of the video. If you want it as a portrait, you can click on this. If you want it as landscape, you can click on this, but I'm okay with this. Then I haven't done that. I'll scroll down, click on next. So now what is this thing is asking now is that, okay, now this clip the video we want to make, where do we want the clip to comes from? So now if you have a video, you have a video or clips, image you want to upload, you can click on this and you upload your images or the videos you have. But for me, I just want Augie to suggest the best one for me. You understand? So it can generate it from stock clip, these Giphy or generated image. But for me, this is okay. So now there is one thing I want you to know in this area, the keyword of the video we are doing, which is the winter. So we just have to put something keyword, winter. I'm talking about the winter period. So I'll put it there. Then I haven't done that. I'll click on generate. So this one shows if you still want to edit anything, we can edit it. But for me, I've listened to my audio. I'm ready to make my Augie. Then I'll click on OK, and it's going to create the video for me. So the video creations depends on how long the video is and how you understand. So can you see it now? Can you see it? It's converting already, converting audio to text or whatever, from text to, that's just it. So let's wait for it. The conversion depends on how long your video is, on the duration, you understand. So during the time of waiting, we can create another video. So everything will be on this library, this area. We call it library. You understand? So can you see it? It's almost done already. I'll click on it. So once I click on it, don't get it confused. So let me cancel this. Take me to the editor. I don't need this. So now these are video. These are video now. So this area means if you want to edit anything, you can edit it. So for me, I'll just click on download video. So you see it now. It's building our video. It's building our video. See the percentage at the top. See the percentage here. So this thing, we don't need to edit video. We don't need to add anything to it. This AI is going to generate and do what we want for us. You understand? So there's no limitation to this. You can use it as we want. You can use it. You can use it. You see, these are the clip, the stock images used. You understand? We'll talk about winter. You see it. So can you see it's done? 100% done. So now let's go back to our library. We'll see the download is ready. Can you see? Then we'll click on this download. It will start downloading, and once it's download finish, we can do whatever we want to do. Let's get it downloaded, and we'll see it in the download button. You can see if you want to edit, we can edit, duplicate it or delete the video. We can do that. I've already clicked on the download. I don't want it to download twice. So now it's going to start downloading. I will preview what we have done so far. You understand? So let's wait for it to get downloaded and see what we have done. And see it okay download fast. I don't want to preview it from the dashboard. I want to download it. So it has started downloading. Can you see it? So now let's preview our download. Let's preview it.
Winter, a time of chilly breezes and cozy nights by the fire. But why not take this opportunity to escape to magical destinations that come alive during this season? Discover enchanting winter wonderlands wherever you are. Whether it's snow-capped mountains or vibrant city streets, there's something for everyone. Uncover the hidden treasures of winter travel, from dazzling ice sculptures to adrenaline-pumping winter sports. Embrace crisp air and breathtaking landscapes, creating memories that will warm your heart.
So as you can see it's very interesting and okay. You see it's very good.
For years to come. Experience the thrill of winter festivals, delectable
So with these tools now, we can create our videos as many as we want. We generate our scripts. Once you generate scripts, you just paste it here. This thing is going to create the video for you 100% for free. You understand? If you are still watching this video to this end, I think I deserve like, comment and share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So with this video now,
seasonal treats and the joy of exploring new cultures. Winter is calling.
So create your own video and comment it on this video that you've created it. Let me see what you have created. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. I will still be sharing some amazing AI tools you can use to make your videos, to make this easy for yourself. Thank you so much.